Hey guys, we are exploring another abandoned thingamabobber, and it's an abandoned warehouse this time, guys. So we're going to go over to the abandoned warehouse. It's a few miles away from here, nothing that much. So we're going to walk there by foot. It's going to take us a couple hours. So see you when we get there, because you guys don't want to see this walking, obviously. So we're going to be there in a few, well, for you guys, it's going to be a few seconds if I keep talking, and for me, it's going to be a few hours. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm making across this bridge, and apparently this is the pathway. Oh my god, you know, X Games mode, there went a squirrel. I'm going to go through here. Very quietly, guys. There's security all over. There's a bunch of security. But yeah, look at this. Look at that. What? This is weird. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys. This is what it looks like. Why is there a barrel there? Why is there a barrel there? I don't know. Let's go. It's unlocked, guys. It's unlocked. Wow. Okay. And let's go through here. Wow. Wow, this is a fun place you got here. Huh. Smaller than I expected, guys, but yeah. Wow. Oh my god. Why are there so many dead things in here? I just realized. Look, dead wasp. Dead wasp. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What else is dead in here? Oh my god, another dead wasp over there. You guys can't see it, but anyways, this is a nice place. Yeah, it's pretty. What? Why do you even have this place? Like, what is the purpose? What is in here? Why is there there's a Let Me Movie cup from McDonald's? Cheap. Okay, that's a lot of stuff in there. Got a net. We got a lamp. Got a pole saw. What in the world is that? Okay. Okay, there's a bunch of weird stuff in here. But yeah, that's basically it. So, man, I don't hear the security anymore. We're gonna go. Okay, guys, I don't see security right now. Let's go. Go. Make it you shit. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know if you guys could hear me, but whew, as soon as I said there's no security, I don't even know if you guys heard me about that, but as soon as I said no security, something moved. I don't know, I think it was haunted or something. Something just went BAM! I don't think you guys could hear it. It was very faint, but I saw something moving. Okay, guys. I'll see you later. This has been exploring the abandoned warehouse. Also, let's go with the plug here. Okay, subscribe to my other YouTube channel. It's your boy Flo. Yeah, that's right. ITZYABOIFLO is your boy Flo. Subscribe to it because there's better quality videos because this is blurry. And there will be some live streams too. I might do some live streams on here too. But yeah. See you guys. And subscribe to my other YouTube channel. No content yet, but I'll get there. Okay. See ya.